Hello guys, hope you are doing great. So today's makeup look was done using the products from Boxycharm Box of May. And my last video gained a lot of views, but I gained also a lot of thumbs down. So if you don't like the video, instead of hitting the thumbs down button, just write down below the comment why you didn't like the video. It will be, more productive. In May box I got 5 full-size products, and I want to say that all of them are hit. First of all, it was the Glam Glow cleanser. I really liked this cleanser. It made my skin feel really clean and really, not dry but moisturized after the cleansing, so I loved it very much. So the second product I got was Milk Primer. Actually, I don't use primers on the regular basis. I prefer to use sunscreen and moisturizer, and that's it. But Milk Primer was pretty good. It's supposed to make your pores look smaller, and I would say that it did its job. Following with Huda Beauty foundation. I really like this foundation when I want to go for the full coverage look, and don't be afraid of the white face that I have right now. I will be contouring and adding some depth to my skin. As I said, using Anastasia contour stick to contour my face and to add some depth. Brows are my go-to Kabrow in 4.5. Ta-da! This drugstore powder is really good. It doesn't make your skin look cakey or something. It just sets the foundation with the right amount of it. To bronze my face, I'm using Laura Mercier bronzer, and I just go where the sun would hit my face. And nothing precise, just with a big fluffy brush, I'm just adding the healthy color to my skin. So let's jump into the eye makeup. I'm using Covergirl Liquid lipstick to define my crease. In this step you have to be really precise, so you just put the lipstick right into the crease and just blend it really carefully. And also I try to use all of the products that I got through Boxycharm, no matter what month. But this brush is from Luxie, so if you are subscribed to Boxycharm, you're supposed to have it. Also Alamar palette. This palette was, I think, in June's box of last year. I'm just adding this brown color to define the crease even more. I'm just packing it and then blend it. I'm adding a bit more and then I blend again, and I just go back and forth until I like the intensity of the color. Then I take this burgundy color and just blend the brown that I already applied. And again, I'm adding more brown because I want it really intense. When I applied burgundy color, it just blended away. And again, just going back and forth with burgundy and brown color. To blend everything out, I'm using this orangey neutral color. For the lower lash line, I'm also using the Covergirl lipstick. I'm just applying it in a thick layer and then I just blend it. The third product was this amazingly beautiful eyeshadow from Ciate. I decided to apply it as a cut crease color, and let me tell you, this eyeshadow is amazingly beautiful in person. I decided to put 2 layers, and probably it was my mistake because when the second layer dried, the eyeshadow started to crack. And the pieces of the dry eyeshadow started to fall off onto my cheeks and onto my lashes. And I want to ask you how you use this eyeshadow and if it cracked on you. I really like the shade, I really like the texture, and I just don't understand why it cracked on me so hard. For the highlighter, I also went with the lightest shade from the Alamar palette, and I put it into my tear duct and on the brow bone. And you don't want to have this sharp line, so go ahead and use the orangey color we used before and blend everything out. Here is a second layer of the eyeshadow, so it was so pretty and so beautiful until the eyeshadow dried. I will be looking forward to your comments below this video. I want to share with you my brush that I mostly use for the eyeliners. So I'm using the same Covergirl Liquid lipstick for the eyeliner. Since everything was warm toned and then I applied this silver eyeshadow, I decided to take my Inglot glitter, and as you can see it's goldish kind of, so it tied everything together. And don't forget the waterline, I also applied the lipstick in there. The fourth product was this lash curler from Pur Cosmetics, but I just did the lash lift 2 days ago, so I actually didn't need it. But if you have straight lashes, this one will help you out with curling them, of course. Mascara from Covergirl, and it's hard to see in here because I have a lot of makeup, but after the lash lift I can do the advertising for the mascaras. And yes, I highly recommend lash lifting. It just opens your eyes so beautifully. Decided to add just a pop of color into the waterline with this NYX slide-on eye pencil in glitzy gold. Lashes are from Allure. And today I had issues with my duo glue, but I fixed everything quickly. Blending the lower lash line. Adding depth to it. Don't forget your lower lashes when you do the heavy smoky eye. Here is the finished eye look. I really liked it. It's so pretty. For the blush, I'm going to use this beautiful color from Nomad Cosmetics, and you can read down below all the product list and the links to buy it if you want to. The highlighter is from Artist Couture from last month Boxycharm box. And the last but not least product is the lip gloss from Luna by Luna. This chocolate color with gold sparkles to it was basically the inspiration for the whole look. So this is the final look. I really hope that you liked the video, and if you don't like it, just comment down below and don't hit this thumbs down button because it's so discouraging. Thank you so much for stopping by, and see you all guys soon. Bye bye.